The natural world, in all its beauty and serenity, has an uncanny ability to soothe our souls. As the sun gently rises over the horizon, casting a warm glow upon the tranquil waters, we are reminded of the profound impact that nature can have on our well-being. For those who find themselves grappling with the weight of depression, nature offers a sanctuary, a place of healing and rejuvenation. Through this journey, let's explore the profound ways in which connecting with the natural world can help us navigate the complexities of mental health and find solace in the embrace of Mother Earth. Step outside and allow the gentle breeze to caress your skin as you embark on a journey into the heart of nature. Feel the soft earth beneath your feet, grounding you in the present moment. Breathe deeply, inhaling the fresh, invigorating air, and exhale the weight of your worries. Studies have shown that spending time in nature can be as effective as medication for some people in reducing stress and improving mood. As you immerse yourself in the sights, sounds, and scents of the natural world, you'll begin to feel a sense of calm wash over you, a gentle reminder that you are a part of something far greater than yourself. In the bustling tapestry of modern life, our minds are often consumed by a cacophony of thoughts, worries, and anxieties. Yet nature invites us to shed these burdens and embrace the stillness of the present moment. Find a tranquil spot amidst the trees, close your eyes, and allow yourself to simply be. Pay attention to the gentle breeze as it whispers through the leaves, the warmth of the sun on your skin, and the symphony of birdsong filling the air. This practice of mindfulness, of cultivating a deep awareness of the present moment without judgment, has been shown to quiet the mind and ease symptoms of depression. There's a certain magic in getting your hands dirty, in feeling the earth between your fingers as you plant seeds of hope and watch them blossom into life. Gardening, an age-old practice, has been shown to have numerous benefits for mental health, from reducing stress and anxiety to boosting self-esteem and fostering a sense of accomplishment. The act of nurturing a garden, of tending to delicate seedlings and witnessing their transformation into vibrant blooms, can be a profoundly therapeutic experience, reminding us of the resilience of the human spirit and our innate capacity for growth and renewal. Movement is life, and in the embrace of nature we find the perfect setting to awaken our bodies and invigorate our minds. Exercise in any form releases endorphins, our body's natural mood lifters, and when we combine physical activity with the beauty of the outdoors, the benefits are amplified, whether it's a brisk walk through a park, a leisurely horsebike ride along a scenic trail, or a game of frisbee with friends. Getting active outdoors can work wonders for our mental well-being. As you move your body, feel the wind in your hair, the sun on your face, and the earth beneath your feet, and allow the rhythm of nature to synchronize with the beat of your heart. As social creatures, we humans thrive on connection, on the feeling of belonging and being a part of something greater than ourselves. Spending time with loved ones in nature can provide a sense of belonging and connection that nourishes the soul and strengthens our social bonds. Whether it's a camping trip with friends, a family picnic in the park, or simply a leisurely stroll with a loved one, nurturing our relationships amidst the beauty of the natural world can help combat feelings of loneliness and isolation. As you share laughter, stories, and experiences, you'll find that the bonds you forge in nature run deep, providing comfort, support, and a sense of belonging that extends far beyond the moments you share. As the sun begins its slow descent, casting long shadows across the landscape, we are reminded of the cyclical nature of life and the enduring power of the natural world. The warmth of the setting sun painting the sky in hues of gold and crimson serves as a poignant reminder of the lasting benefits of connecting with nature. By embracing the serenity of nature, we cultivate a deep sense of peace, resilience, and hope. knowing that even in the darkest of times, the natural world offers solace, rejuvenation, and an enduring embrace.